Hey everyone, check this out. It is the XP Lite rear rack. Came in the mail with some other goodies, including this bag. Oh yeah, this bag looks fantastic. Okay, it is huge inside. So it's got a nice size pocket on the side, and I mean nice size pocket. You could put yeah, you could put a phone, you could put a toolkit, you could put a sandwich in there for later. The inside of this bag, I mean, you could put a whole thing of groceries in here, maybe easily probably a 6-pack of soda or some water or whatever you want to put in there. On the top here, it's got these grommets, and this is so you could bolt it to the frame. But look at, I asked people, could you not bolt it to the frame and just use straps? And sure enough, see these straps here? You can strap it to the rack instead, so you can use the straps. So you can do either or. Both sides have these huge pockets. It's a canvas waterproof bag. It's just got tons and tons of space. This thing is fantastic. So that's the bags. Inside here, I did get the mirrors. I think I have a video for the mirrors. They're a little tricky on getting started because the instructions don't tell you how to put them all together, but I'll give you a tip in my video. And then here's the rack. So, this is the stuff to extend the tail light and extra bolts. And then there is some instructions in here. They're probably not complete because none of their instructions seem to be. And then there's the, it's hard to get out with one hand, but there is the rack. It goes on the XP Lite. Believe it or not, this rack is about 2 to 2.5 pounds. That's it. So when you were thinking about XP Lite, is it light enough? Yeah, I'm picking up with one hand, and this rack is light enough. Them Lectric Bikes, a little box. Let's see what they are. If they are bike mirrors. We do have, it comes with some Allen wrenches. I love it when they come with tools so you don't have to do anything yourself. Yeah, these are the little mirrors. Indeed. They both come in like little things like this. They don't look the same. That's what it looks like. But I found a screw. And then there's a couple other pieces of the different pieces I found in the bag. Oh, I found a nut too. Look at that. I found a nut. To step 1, you'll need to create a large opening in your handlebars. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Use a knife to create a large opening. Okay, so that's what we do here. Step 2, you'll insert the mirror into... Okay, so it assumes that the mirror's already put together, but see, here's my problem, is my mirror is not put together. It has all these pieces, and it doesn't tell you how to put all these pieces onto the mirror to go into the handlebar. Figure out these mirrors, okay? And like the bolt here, and this, so I figured that has to work like that, but then I have other parts here. I have this other thing here, and I don't understand how that goes in. Now check this video out. This is from Lectric Company. That thing has got to be turned this way. This is turned in this way. And then the bolt's on that side. That makes sense. I wish they would have said that in the instructions. So, I kind of had it right, but so I didn't have that. So, luckily, if you guys don't know this, they have a YouTube channel, Lectric Bikes, and it has a lot of this information. So very helpful. I wish they would have put this on their instructions, though. See, it has nowhere on here does it say go to YouTube and look at our video. They should have that information on here because that would be really helpful. Yeah, there is no information. But yeah, look at right here. It shows us right here 1 minute and 30 seconds in and gives you a tip on how to put it in. Fantastic information. It also looks like the mirrors are scratched, but there is actually a protective film on it. You can see right here. See? You can peel that away, and as soon as you peel it away, all those scratches go away. That foam knife actually did cut pretty well. I just cut it like in an X, and then I went from there to there to there to there, and there's the hole for the mirror. Okay, so I installed it here. But yeah, it looks like it's gonna work good. Hey everyone, so these mirrors are absolutely fantastic. I'm loving the mirrors. They're small, they're out of the way, they can be adjusted. I really like these design of type of mirrors that they have. I'm really liking the rack too. The rack on these things, the rack is very low weight, hardly any weight at all. Compared to their XP series, the rack is so much less weight. And now they have the fenders. I ordered the fenders for winter because of salt on the road. I don't want that salt flying up into my face. If you don't know what rock salt is for winter use, then you don't need to worry about it. But I got the fenders for that. Believe it or not, the fenders are very lightweight. They look very efficient. But all this stuff adds money. All this stuff for the light, while it's lightweight, it's not adding a lot of weight. It is adding a lot of money. So actually the light bike is not the most efficient bike when it comes to cost. You're actually paying quite a bit for that lower weight. That lower weight comes at a pretty premium cost if you start adding accessories and stuff. Because you think about it, the other bicycles that they sell have better motors, they have better peak performance, they have better components, they have shocks built in, they have multiple speeds, they have better grips. The batteries that come with them are better, longer range batteries. So if you don't need the weight reduction of the XP Lite, go and get the XP 2.0 or 3.0. You're going to save so much more money doing so. But the XP Lite, most people get it for the same reason I got it for. Lighter weight. That's why they got it for, lighter weight. Now, even adding accessories, believe it or not, you still have a lighter weight bike than going and getting the XP 2.0, 3.0, or XP Premium. You still have a lighter bike, even using the accessories. This is that electric mirror. This thing has been working great for me. So what I needed to do to get it to work better for me, I needed to tighten that up. So now that stays pretty tight, and you can adjust it. And I have to move it when I'm bringing up the steps so it doesn't crash into something. But yeah, that's really nice. I really like that mirror. It's coming real handy for me. This is still the stock seat. Let me tell you, I belong to a couple of the Facebook groups for the XP Lite and the XPs, and everyone told me I was going to have to replace this seat because it was uncomfortable. But let me tell you, this is the most comfortable stock seat I've ever had. I've ridden a lot of bikes over the years, from BMX bikes, mountain bikes, road bikes, and now this e-bike, and this is a very comfortable seat. It's firm, but it doesn't hurt at all. Yeah, so I have no problem with it. I'm not going to be replacing it anytime soon. This is a great helmet. By the way, if you've never seen these helmets, they're a little more expensive. I ended up getting this. I was going to get one. It was like a $30 or $40 helmet. This right here, you can actually lock your bike up to, or lock your helmet to the bike. If for some reason they cut the lock that your helmet is on, this company will send you another one for free. Also, if you are in any kind of accident while wearing this helmet, and this helmet cracks or breaks, they'll send you a new one, okay? So they'll send you a new one if you're in an accident, and they'll send you a new one if you put a lock through this mechanism and somebody still stole the bike or the helmet. They'll send you a new helmet. So it is worth it. The average price or regular price is $99, but you can get them usually on sale for about $79 or even $89. $89, $79. $79 is the lowest I've seen them. They have a nice little visor to them. They have a lot of different colors. I got the navy blue, has a little orange with the white. It also has this magnetic strap, but a lot of helmets have this. It has one of these things you can dial in. So first you still have to measure your helmet. Unfortunately, I was a large. I just was large by like that much. So I almost made a medium, but I just made the large. So I'm at the small side of the large. It also has this quick connect here. I'm going to do it from here. You can see it one-handed. You can unhook it. It's magnetic. The only thing that it is weird is it only has a few of these vents. Like, it has a few vents there and a few vents there. So if you need more vents, like if your head really sweats, then you may want to go with a different type of helmet. Now, they sell, Thousand sells a bunch of helmets. The company is really cool. They want to sell, the reason they call it Thousand, they want to save at least 1,000 lives with their helmets. The person that made this helmet had somebody they lost due to an accident for not wearing a helmet. So that's why they're making helmets, and they decided to make helmets that look cool, because a lot of people won't wear helmets because they look stupid, right? So this person's making helmets that look stylish for a reason, so people will be more inclined to wear them. It's a really kind of cool company. So, and they're out of I think California. Give them a check. It's called go to Explore 1000. That's their website. Absolutely fantastic stuff. Actually,